Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey of building your own business? In today's video, we're going to explore the top 3 best places for entrepreneurs to start up and thrive. So, grab your notepads and let's dive right in. Coming in at number 3 is Silicon Valley, California, USA. Known as the epitome of innovation, Silicon Valley offers a vibrant startup ecosystem and access to world-class resources. From tech giants to groundbreaking startups, this dynamic hub provides endless networking opportunities, venture capital funding, and a culture of entrepreneurial drive. If you're in the tech industry or have a tech-oriented business idea, Silicon Valley might just be the perfect launchpad for your entrepreneurial dreams. Next up, we have London, United Kingdom. This global business and financial center have a rich history of entrepreneurship and a thriving startup community. With its diverse talent pool, access to funding, and a supportive business environment, London provides an ideal setting for startups in various industries. Whether you're in tech, finance, fashion, or any other field, London offers a perfect blend of innovation, creativity, and global connectivity. And taking the number 1 spot is Singapore. This vibrant city-state has gained a reputation as a hotspot for entrepreneurial success. With its strategic location in Asia, favorable tax policies, and robust infrastructure, Singapore attracts entrepreneurs from around the world. The government's pro-business approach, ample funding opportunities, and strong support for startups make it an attractive destination for budding entrepreneurs. Singapore serves as a gateway to the thriving Southeast Asian market, offering immense growth potential for businesses across industries. There you have it, aspiring entrepreneurs, the top 3 best places to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, each location offers unique advantages and opportunities, so choose the one that aligns with your business goals and industry focus. So grab your passport, pack your entrepreneurial spirit, and get ready to make your mark on the world of business. If you found this video insightful and are excited to explore more content on entrepreneurship and business strategies, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights that will guide you on your entrepreneurial path. Remember, success knows no boundaries when you have the right mindset and the determination to pursue your dreams. So, let's take the leap together and make our entrepreneurial dreams a reality.